Hello people from Earth. In this video I'll be showing you how to clean your speakers with an app. So basically our speakers get damaged by water or dust particles when we go out, and some types of particles we can't see them. So we can't clean them with our bare hands. So using this app you can just clean them. What this app does is it will produce some frequencies and noises that will throw out the particles out of the speaker, and it will clean the speaker. So let's start it. You can see the noises, it's annoying. And yeah, you can see cleaning completed. So what it does is it will clean the speaker with the frequencies and throw out the dust particles out of it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe for sure, please. Thank you.